Good morning, everybody. We have another vlog here today, but first things first, don't forget to brush your teeth. Huge shout out to Crest for sponsoring this video. We really appreciate all the love and support. Just kidding, guys. That would be dope though. Make sure you get behind the teeth. You know, you gotta make sure you get all the way back there. Oh shoot. Jeez, it's getting messy here. I gotta clean that up. I think we're gonna wear the undefeated Air Maxes today. These things are fire. Boom, just like that, we're ready to go. Ever since I got the air suspension done on this car, I've been driving it like crazy. I haven't really been driving the Tesla that much, but I freaking love this car, man. We're finally installing this brand new 8W V3 from JL Audio. So good, so freaking good. I love how the remote just fits perfectly in this place right here. Makes it so much better. Gotta air up. Good to go. I'm heading over to my uncle's shop, Extreme Sounds and Lights. We moved from our other location that was on Tilly, and now we're on 10th Street. So we're gonna be doing a ton of work on this car. I'll talk a little bit more about it when I get to the shop, but I wanna make sure I get there on time. So let's get it and let's go. I think this is my first vlog using this new camera. So if you guys are watching this and you have really good internet, hit that 4K bell. I'm running with the Sony a7S III. The rear sub blew out in this car a few months back and I haven't had a chance to change it. So that's why I'm super excited today. Let me see if I could give you guys a little sample real quick with some Lakey inspired. Let's see if it flaps. Definitely not ideal if you guys are trying to enjoy your music. My quick fix for this problem was to move all of the audio to the front so it stops using the rear sub, and I turned the bass down a bunch just because I don't want to hear that thing flap. All right guys, we just arrived at the shop. Again, this is our new location on 10th Street. If you guys want to check us out, I'll have our address down below in the description. We do a bunch of stuff now, LEDs, HID kits, even tinting and alignments, all that good stuff. So if you guys want, you can follow us on Instagram. I'll have our Instagram also right here and in the description down below. But let's go ahead and check in and see what we got going on today. So I figured while we're here, we're gonna do everything at the same time. So I figured we're gonna change out the fog lights and we are gonna upgrade the headlights to 6K HIDs. And this is our little light setup wall that we have right here. So you guys can see the difference in temp. The higher you go up in this number right here, the more blue it looks. So if you guys want like an icy white look, I would recommend going for the 6K. That's what we're doing today. I used to do 8Ks on my Lexus IS250, but I think the 6K looks more icy. This would be like a factory headlight, would be a little bit yellow like that. Freaking On gave me these chopped Jordans. Look at these things. Oh my God. Crumbling midsoles. How many miles do you think are on this thing, are on these Jordan 5s? I would say probably around 200,000 miles on these joints. These things are cooked. I'm not sure what we're gonna do with these yet. He was thinking about blowing them up, shooting them with the gun, get that slow-mo, or I don't even know really. I mean, there's no way we're gonna bring these back. They're just too chopped. Comment down below, maybe you guys will see these in the future. If not, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. But yeah, this is the shop right here. Crazy big upgrade from the last one. Bunch of space in here. We have a nice waiting area with drinks, snacks and all that stuff. This is my uncle's fish right here. Big head. Look at him. Look at him go. Oh, he likes us. Look at his head. Big noggin. Hey, big noggin. I forget the name of this fish, but I think they're pretty rare. If you guys know fish, let us know. I forgot to mention this before, but you guys could probably see it. There's a bunch of condensation in these headlights. And before we get a fish tank like the one in there, I want to get this fixed. They're pretty old, they're pretty crusty, and I figured if I just bought the new lenses, it would look so much more clean. So headlights make a big difference on cars. So if you have any like fog or condensation, make sure you take care of that because it does get worse over time, as you guys can see. I was also thinking about doing the puddle lights for these side skirts right here, similar to what I had on the IS250, if you guys remember. I haven't really been a big fan of underglow, but the puddle lights, the VIP puddle lights, are one of my favorite looks. I just feel like it gives an extra nice touch to the car without doing too much. I don't know if we have any in stock, but if we do, of course, we're gonna make it happen. If not, we'll do that next time. I'm not really a Porsche fan, but I haven't seen one this clean in a minute. Look at this thing. This thing is beautiful. Freaking pristine. I mean, the paint. This is an older one too. I'm not sure what the year is. If you guys know, let me know. But damn, this thing is fire. It's a GT2. The paint literally looks brand new. I'm not sure. Again, I don't know how old this car is, but look at this. Look at that fitment. Look at that fitment. Okay. So nice. Oh, even the interior. Freak, dude.
All right, guys. So this is kind of like a RV type of Prius. We got storage units up here. Here's your refrigerated cooler. It's all powered here with the power inverter that's right here. You got a microwave that's fully powered with your inverter that's in there. You got a fold out table that's right here.
All custom.
All custom made. And then if you come around on this side, this is his little bed area. You can sleep here. Also doubles as storage. So if he moves all his pillows, sleeping bags out, here's, well, there's some pillows and blankets and stuff there. And then if you go to the front here, you also have another one, another storage unit right here.
Dang.
So you can put clothes and whatever, food, whatever you need in here. The cool thing about these, they open on either side. Let me grab the key for you and I'll show you what it does. Unlock it. And open it on this side. And if you left things all the way on the other side, and open it on this side.
Sick.
So whichever side you leave your stuff in, you can just grab it from that side. You don't have to get up and climb all the way in. That's what the customer wanted, and so that's what we built.
This bed situation looking. Okay, you just lay down there. I think that's good for one person. Maybe put a little mattress.
Puts a little yoga mat in there.
Yeah,
that's it.
he's good to
Sleeping
go.
bag and a yoga mat. Microwave.
Oh, snap.
And refrigerator bag. So you can turn this on. Set the temperature whatever you'd like. It's also battery powered. So when it's on, when the car is on, it charges the battery.
Oh, okay, and then it runs on that.
And then it runs on the battery. And then, so even if the vehicle is off, it'll still keep your food and drinks cold for probably about 2-3 hours.
We begin to rock. Steady. Steady rocking all night. What? Yo, we're in the kitchen. We're back home. We're having a real Vietnamese breakfast today. So, Vietnamese breakfast, Vietnamese iced coffee, of course. So good. And we got a little bit of boom boy. I don't know if it's just me, but whenever you guys are making food, do you make more food before you eat the real food? Like, do you pre-game it? We got our veggies. Kablow. Our nudes. Kablow. We got our chai lua, and this is still warm. Oh my god. Let me show y'all the pre-game meal for all my Vietnamese people, all my Asian people. I think y'all will like this. If you aren't Asian though, I'm not sure if you could relate. Maybe you could try it out next time you go to a Vietnamese restaurant or you want something Vietnamese, then you guys could try it out. Let me show you guys what's good. First item we're gonna need are some English muffins. If you haven't had this before, basically this is pork, has garlic, black pepper, and they wrap it in a banana leaf and steam it. So that's what this is. Typical Vietnamese meat right here. I'll guide you guys through everything. We're about to make this real nice. We're gonna need a little bit of mayonnaise, a little bit of mayo, and we're also gonna be using some lettuce. We need some soy sauce, so this is what we got right here. Okay, so we got our English muffins. We gotta add a little bit of soy sauce to the bread before you add the mayo so it soaks into the bread a little bit. I only do it on one side because you don't want it to be too salty, but this is what it looks like. Now we're gonna hit both sides with a little bit of mayo. Mayonnaise, some people like mayo, some people hate mayo. If you don't like mayo, I'm sorry. Now we got 2 of these pieces. We're gonna throw our meat right there. Boom. We need some lettuce now to add a little bit of crunch. Got a bag of lettuce. Throw that thing in there. A little messy. Ho ho ho. And we got our pre-game meal before our actual meal. Let's take a bite. Oh, no. I used to eat this all the time growing up. Thank the Lord for beautiful, good food. This deserves a chef's kiss right here. Ooh-wee. Here we go, y'all. One of my favorite Vietnamese dishes. If you guys want to try it out, I'll have it on the screen right here. That's what you order. One of my goals for 2021 is to become a grill master. I want to be an expert at this barbecue stuff, so I'm learning with the assistance of my dad. Today we're gonna be grilling up some pork chops, and wow, I just realized, I think the last clip that you guys saw I was eating, and now I'm eating again. So it's dinner time. I'm sorry there's a lot of food in this video, but I'm excited. I want to see what I can whip up in the future with this whole barbecue thing. You guys probably haven't seen Butters in a while. You used to be so tiny, used to be like smaller than my foot, and now you're just a muffin. She's been licking her paws a lot because she's been having allergies. If you guys have any advice on how to help them with irritated paws, I would appreciate it. Just drop a comment down below. It seems like nothing really works. She used to take these pills every month, but our vet has been a pain to get a hold of, so we ran out, and that is what's making her kind of like break out or be a little bit more itchy. And I feel bad, bro. Look at all that floof though. We should make some custom shoes out of this right here. Ooh, I should probably add a little bit more charcoal.